Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another terrible time on two wheels. Today we are gonna check out this new 2020 Road Glide Milwaukee-Eight 114 Road Glide Special. A lot of new features on these, the newer Road Glides. One of the biggest things that stands out to me from my Road Glide is I feel like my bike, you need 3 hands to freaking take your bags off. This one flip of a switch, opens up, super easy to use, super clean. Even the latching mechanisms inside here are way nicer, way sturdier. Beautiful glove boxes, close all slow. You got a USB port for your phone, got your audio controls here, audio controls here. It's fucking AC. So many nice features. The wheels are pretty dope. I like that like crossed up spoke pattern. Dual disc front end with the ABS, the Brembo brakes. Hydraulic clutch on these new touring models. Beautiful bike. I'm ready to ride it. Touchscreen LCD. Oof. She's a baddie. She's a baddie. Let's hear what we got for tunes.
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me.
I like this bike already. I want a new Road Glide so bad. This bike is so dope to me. I'm really curious to see what this hydraulic clutch feels like out there. I'm super biased when it comes to these for some reason. I don't know. I really like the Road Glide a lot. It's my favorite bike. I really love the front fairing, the dual headlights. Especially now with these newer ones, they're coming out with really nice paint schemes. I really like matte colors a lot. I like that touch screen is great. My old Road Glide, I need a couple of hands to open my bags like I had mentioned before, and these ones I could even do while I'm riding if I needed to. I could reach back, unlatch this, open it up while I'm cruising down the road, close it back up, latch it, good to go. My other bike I'd have to get off, use 2 hands, fucking flashlight in your mouth, whatever. If it's at night, you need to fix your bike or something, you pull over. It's just way nicer. Little things, little innovative things that can make your life easier is what this is all about, you know. Got my man Dylan with me on the Ronin gimbal with his Canon, catching the cinematic footage of this beautiful bike so I could give you guys a good look at all the detail of the bike. I want to show you guys all this shit, man. I want you guys to see everything. I don't really have much to say because I'm just another schmuck on a bike like you, but every bike I ever buy or touch, all I want to do is change the suspension, the seat, the handlebars, the exhaust. I want it to sound good. I want it to handle well. These stock bikes do great, but I'm spoiled. Legend Suspension's been taking care of me for a couple of years now, so any Harley that goes in my garage is getting their suspension regardless. This is the type of bike I could ride forever. Forever. I'd go cross country on this thing in a heartbeat. Right now, I'd pack a backpack and be out. You got all the stuff right at the fingertips, man. You got the volume control. Sounds pretty good too. The gloss black inner Everything about this bike's just super clean. There's a couple of different options with these bikes. You got the limited, the special, just the standard road glide. It's all different packages, different handlebar setups, maybe a different seat. Some of them have the touring pack. 9 miles on this one. They keep putting me on these nice ass new bikes, man. I love it. I don't know who told them to trust me with motorcycles, but I'm glad they do. I wish I could ride these bikes like I ride mine, but maybe one of my viewers is gonna buy this thing, so I'll treat it right. This is my favorite part. Boom. You got the quick detach sissy bar, quick flip bags, super simple, latch done. Doesn't get much easier than that. Instead of the air shocks that these bikes used to come with, we got regular coilover suspension in the rear here. All blacked out motor. Beautiful LED lights in the front. I tell you, Speedway Harley Davidson's got to be one of the coolest dealerships that I've ever been to. Everybody's so friendly in there. This hydraulic clutch feels a little strange. It's definitely a little new to me for sure. But I mean, it works. It's responsive. It feels different in your hand a little bit. I don't know what it is, but I bet this bitch will wheelie right now if I wanted it to. This thing's got nice turning radius. Very responsive bike. Again, fly-by-wire throttle. All internally ran wires and stuff. Super clean. Hydraulic clutch. Steel braided lines for the brakes.